Okay, we got the mouth hooked up and adjusted how we wanted it. Last thing we want to do, we got these two blocks here. We want to put our ears on, and I put the blocks so the ears don't slide on me when I'm screwing them in. So I glue it and put a screw in there just so it doesn't get knocked off. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. Okay, there's that one. There we go. And this character is ready for the next step. So we'll give it one more little sanding and then we'll start to seal it. Thanks for watching.